Imagine having your home professionally cleaned at a fraction of the cost. Welcome to Cleaning by Design's Flex Client Program, an exclusive offer for carefully selected individuals like yourself. We're inviting you to join our Flex Client Program and receive cleanings at a cheaper cost. In return, we ask for your flexibility and support. As a Flex client, here's what we need from you: a weekly or a bi-weekly cleaning schedule, flexibility in your cleaning day, flexibility with your cleaning technician, feedback on the job that we're doing, and of course, if we've earned it, a 5-star Google or Facebook review. In exchange for your flexibility, you'll receive a 40% discount. Now, we understand that life can be unpredictable, so if we need to reschedule your cleaning day due to scheduling conflicts, we'll strive to find a convenient alternative for you. By participating, you're not just saving money, you're helping us maintain a happy, healthy team. Happy employees ensure exceptional service, creating a true win-win situation. If you have any questions, please call the office. We're excited to assist you.